Yeah, good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss biomolecules topic. See the biomolecules. So in biomolecules, mainly we'll discuss carbohydrates, next proteins. Protein is the combination of amino acids. Protein is the combination of amino acids. We have 21 amino acids. So we'll discuss later that one. Main important of carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids. Next, nucleic acids, vitamins. Next, fats. Next, identification test for carbohydrates. So this is very important topic in second year. We'll discuss in that mainly carbohydrates. So this is very important in 2017 question, 18 question, proteins. So this is also very important. After that, vitamins, it is for IP level. Next, identification test. So these three are the main important parts. Next, you go for carbohydrates. So what is the definition of carbohydrates? So new definition according to formula, general formula. So that is the old definition. Scientists proposed old definition according to general formula. So what is the general formula? CxH2O Y times. So that name is carbohydrates. Carbon plus water molecule. That is called carbohydrates. So that is defined as hydrates of carbon atoms. Hydrates of carbon known as carbohydrates. Hydrates of carbon is known as carbohydrate. The general formula Cx times water Y times. In some cases X is equal to Y, or maybe X is not equal to Y. X is equal to Y and X not equal to Y. See the examples. Glucose. So very familiar example, glucose. Glucose formula C6H12O6. Fructose formula also same, C6H12O6. Next, sucrose. C12H22O11. See the according to general formula. So here how many carbons? So 6 carbons. Then H2O how many times? 2 times. This is CX. Not 2 times, 6 times. CX H2O 6 times. That is CXHY. Next here C12 H2O 11 times. CXH2OY times. So it is related to general molecular formula. So what is the old definition? According to general formula, hydrates of carbon atom is known as carbohydrates. That is known as carbohydrates. So this is for general formula. According to general formula. Next, see some exceptions. Some compounds show same formula, same general formula, but those are not carbohydrates. Those are called exceptions. See the exceptions. Aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, HC double bond OH. Here carbons, H2O 2 times. H2O. 1 carbon, 1 water molecule. Next, acetic acid, CH3 C double bond O OH. 2 carbons, H2O, 2 carbons, then H2O. How many times? 2 times. Here also CX, H2O. Formula is same. According to this formula is same. But those are not carbohydrates. Not carbohydrate. Those do not show carbohydrate properties. Just it is defined as according to general formula. Next, according to new definition. That new definition means after identification of carbohydrates and according to chemical properties and physical properties. So scientists proposed a new definition. So new definition of carbohydrates. Polyhydroxy aldehydes are ketones. Polyhydroxy aldehydes are ketones known as carbohydrates. So what is that? Polyhydroxy means more than one OH groups. Aldehyde means aldehyde functional group, ketone. Aldehyde functional group mainly contains glucose molecules. Keto functional group contains fructose molecules. So according to functional group with OH groups, that is called carbohydrates. Next, one more definition. On hydrolysis of, otherwise on hydrolysis gives polyhydroxy aldehydes are ketones. Polyhydroxy aldehydes are ketones, also known as carbohydrates. Means any compound by dissolving in water gives with aldehyde functional group or keto functional group and OH functional group. Those are also known as carbohydrates. But main condition for carbohydrates is this is the main condition. You have to know this condition. So what is the main condition? At least one chiral center or one chiral carbon atom required. At least one chiral center or one chiral carbon atom. Next, second condition, more than 2 OH groups or minimum or more than minimum 2 OH groups. Minimum 2 OH groups required. So according to new definition, polyhydroxy aldehydes and ketones known as carbohydrates. Otherwise, on hydrolysis of like sucrose starch compounds gives polyhydroxy aldehydes and ketones. But main condition, at least one chiral carbon atom required with 2 OH groups or more than 2 OH groups also. See the examples. Go for first aldehydes with aldehyde functional group. This is CHO, C, OH, H, CH3. See the next one, CHO, C, OH, CH2, OH. Next, CHO, C, OH, H, CH2, OH. CH2OH. See the condition, polyhydroxy aldehyde functional group. Next, at least one chiral center, but minimum 2 OH groups are required. Here only one OH group. So presence of chiral center, presence of aldehyde, but only one OH group. So it is not a carbohydrate. Next, aldehyde functional group with chiral center with 2 OH groups. So minimum 2 OH groups. So it is a chiral center. Next, remaining aldehyde group, chiral center with 2 OH groups. So this is also carbohydrate. So these two are mirror images. These two are the mirror images. So this is the basic carbohydrate with aldehyde functional group. So it is a basic carbohydrate. Basic carbohydrate. So its name is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde. This name is glyceraldehyde. So this is a new definition. Next. So for aldehydes, minimum how many carbons required? For aldehydes, minimum 3 carbons. Minimum 3 carbons. Then go for keto functional group. Next, go for keto functional group. Keto functional group. So CH2OH, keto means that is presented non-terminal carbon atoms. Next, OH, H, next CH2OH, CH2OH, next CH2OH, then C double bond, third carbon, then fourth carbon, next one is the fifth carbon. See here. So with keto group, next more than 2 OH groups. So keto group is satisfied, more than 2 OH group is satisfied, presence of chiral center. So it is a carbohydrate. Next here also 2 chiral centers, but condition at least 1 chiral center. Next more than OH groups with the keto group. So it is a basic examples of carbohydrates with keto function. Keto function group. So write on one note. Note for aldehydes. Minimum 3 carbons required. For ketones, minimum how many carbons here? Minimum 4 carbons required. For aldehydes, minimum 3 carbons. For ketones, minimum 4 carbons required to show carbohydrates. To show carbohydrates. So it is a basic point. Next examples. Next definition. According to hydrolysis. For example, aldehyde, oxygen, OH, CH2OH, then H and H. Next one is the C double bond, CH2OH. Then here one hydrogen, OH, H, CH2OH. This compound on hydrolysis. So it is a mainly ether linkage. Ethers on hydrolysis gives alcohols. So oxygen is more electronegative, that is attached to hydrogen. Then remaining carbon is attached to OH. So ethers on hydrolysis gives alcohols. So this ether part is converted to alcohol. Then write down remaining structure as it is. So this is converted to OH, H. Next OH, H. Next CH2OH. Plus remaining part C double bond, CH2OH. Next this is the H, OH, OH, H, CH2OH. So this ether part is converted to alcohols. So what is the definition? On hydrolysis of compound gives polyhydroxy aldehydes and ketones. Same condition. So polyhydroxy with aldehyde function group or polyhydroxy with keto function group. Then with chiral centers also. So those also known as carbohydrates. So this is the basic information about carbohydrates. In next class we will discuss other topic.